This is Deeper Challenge 2. So you've already been working on saying the Lord's Prayer about a week now. This isn't really an additional challenge. What I want you to do is stretch yourself a little bit. You're continuing to establish the habit, the rhythm of waking up each morning and praying the Lord's Prayer. But I want you to add a little bit to that as you're establishing that habit. First, I'd like you to add your own prayer as you're saying the Lord's Prayer. Now, that could be in response to one individual line in the Lord's Prayer. You could do the same thing every day. You could mix it up. For instance, Our Father, which art in heaven. Dear God, let me pause and just thank you that I can call you Father. You're a relational God. You want me to come to you, yes, as Lord, yes, as Savior, but I can call you Father. What a blessing that is that you view me as your child and I can call you Father. That would be an example of a prayer you could pray. Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. God, use me today to help draw attention to how glorious your name is, how glorious you are, how wonderful your love is, what a blessing you are in my life. That would be another example. So all through the Lord's Prayer, there would be opportunities. You could do it along the way, you could do it at the end. But all I'm saying is make one prayer, even if it's about 5 to 10 seconds of, in your own words, a prayer that's guided by something in the Lord's Prayer. And the second part of this is to take one person that you will lift up in prayer each day at that time. Maybe after you've said the Lord's Prayer, after you've added your own personal prayer, and I would like to pray for, name the person, and then say a prayer for them. It could be a prayer for someone who is lost that you're trying to have an opportunity to witness to or invite to church or youth group. It could be a health issue. It could be any number of things. Maybe someone has asked you to pray for them. You could pray for the same person each day, or you could pray for different people each day, but pray for one person at that time in the morning. And in this way, we're starting to lengthen the time we're spending in prayer as we're establishing that routine. All right, I'll be praying for you guys as you work on Challenge 2.